Welcome to the jewel of Southern California. Located less than 2 hours from Los Angeles and Orange County sits this gorgeous and private lake, surrounded by tall pines, flowering dogwoods, and majestic oaks. Lake Arrowhead has been an oasis of relaxation and recreation for generations of families, and is just now being rediscovered. We are proud to present this incredible property, perched on the banks of the lake. Custom built from the ground up, the grand vision of one of the West Coast's most respected interior designers and one of Lake Arrowhead's premier builders. This estate features a private sports court, gatehouse, and bocce ball court, along with several outdoor living areas with fireplaces and an alfresco dining pavilion. Every detail, from foundation to garnish, is intentionally tailored to provide a sense of intimacy with nature and a harmonious lifestyle fueled by constant adventure and unwavering love for the outdoors. Notice the wide plank solid French oak floors and the hand-split granite rockwork that is magnificent, with a flowing floor plan that enjoys 3 distinct living spaces, no walls of separation. Upon stepping foot onto property grounds, family and guests are blanketed in both privacy and comfort, ensuring an incomparable experience of tranquility. This exquisite estate is offered with an interior of trophy-found pieces, evoking majestic comfort while enjoying 170 feet of lakefront property. Sitting on over an acre of land, where a private tram provides convenient access to the private dock and boat. Boasting beautiful lake water views from every room, it is the embodiment of elegant European charm and a world-class experience. A remarkable, breathtaking estate, one like no other before, offered in the coveted private community of Lake Arrowhead.